make some pizza dough. It's called yeast, but now it's called yeet. Alright? Because I just yeeted it. Now hold on. There. It's really easy to do. Flour, sugar, water, and don't forget the yeast. Yeah. Flour. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna make the yeast solution. So here it is. We need that, and then we need the water. And we need all that. And I'm pretty sure we put the water in first. Alright guys, these are bugs. You might not believe me, but you should. They eat sugar. And the sugar it makes them fart. It's kind of weird, and it makes the bubbles in pizza. I like a lot of bubbles though. This is annoying. Okay. We gotta mix the yeast out of the poo. That's what it smells like right now. Oh, yeah, that's disgusting. You do not want to smell that. Okay, I'm mixing the yeast out of the yeast. It makes no sense. You see it's already starting to bubble. It smells horrible. More than a dump truck. My gosh. You do not want to be in this house. It's like the loud house. Yeah, it's disgusting. See all the bubbles? Alright guys, I'm gonna touch it. Cameraman touched it. So now I'm not worried. Look at this, guys. Oh. Look, not at me, at my hand. That's bug right there. And all these bubbles are bug fur. Oh my. It's bad. It's bad. It's so bad. That was disgusting. I had to wash up. Let's get the yeast in before it stinks up the whole entire world. I feel like whole thing. Let's get this robot. Moving this switch. I'm gonna dump it all in while it's mixing. Guys, I told you there'd be a good part. You ready? See that? And you see this? Here, guys. First, guess what's gonna happen? Okay. That's ready. You guessed it. put in this bowl, not the new one. Okay. It's heavy, guys. Who thinks we did a good job? I don't think we did. It's too sticky. It's too sticky. Is this supposed to be a prank? They look like giant spider webs. I'm Spider-Man. My pinky can't go up. That's how rough it is. Like torture. My hand. This was a sheep idea. And when I say that, I mean it's a bad idea. I wonder if the bugs are still alive. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. And don't forget, leave a like and subscribe. Oh, wait. Please can this get off? Okay, now let's get off.